Hey guys, welcome to the channel Chandan Tech Talks. As many of you have been searching for the best charger for the LG G8 X, which was available for the price of around 20,000 rupees in Flipkart Big Billion Day sale, I have been testing this phone with different chargers of different wattages from the last 4-5 days. In this video, I'll be going to tell you which charger is best or the best suitable for this phone, and there are also a couple of important points which you have to note it down. The first thing is the charging mode in this phone. There is a mode called optimized battery in this. If the mode is turned on, the battery life of your smartphone increases over the period of time, and the charging speed decreases a little. But if this mode is off, the charging speed might increase a little, but the overall duration of the battery of your smartphone decreases a little. So you have to note it down that whether this mode is turned on or off based on your usage. And the other thing is, I have not charged this device with the dual screen case on. So I have charged the device with just the main screen and the main phone. So all the results which you will be seeing in the next part of the video is completely based on the phone which is charged solely itself with the cable provided in the box. The first charger in the list is Lee Echo Charger. This is of a 22-watt fast charger. The time taken for charging the device from 10 to 100% with the battery optimization mode on is around 2 hours 30 minutes. But I felt that the back of the phone got warm a little, and the time taken for charging the device from 10 to 100% with the battery optimization mode off is around 2 hours 15 minutes. So as I said earlier, I observed the slightly warmness in the backside of the phone by charging with this fast charger. So I would not recommend going above 22-watt charger, or I wouldn't recommend getting even a 27-watt charger, because if the back of the phone gets heated more, the battery life of the phone over the years might get decreased. So it would be better to get a less wattage charger than this. The next charger in the list is the Moto charger. The Moto charger is of 18-watt charger, and the charging time took for charging the device from 10 to 100% with the battery optimization mode on is 2 hours 45 minutes, and the time taken for charging the device from 10 to 100% with the battery optimization mode off is around 2 hours 30 minutes. So my personal recommendation would be either this Moto charger, or the next charger in the list is Samsung charger. It is of 15-watt charger. The time taken for charging the device from 11 to 90% is around 2 hours 1 minute with the battery optimization mode on, and the time taken for charging the device with the battery optimization mode off from 10 to 100% is around 2 hours 16 minutes. So I would prefer taking the Samsung 15-watt charger or that Moto 18-watt charger. And the next up in the list is the Asus 10-watt charger. Yes, this charger is a slower charger compared to the other devices, and this charger took around 3 hours for charging the device completely from 10 to 100% with the battery optimization mode on, and the same charger took around 2 hours 45 minutes with the battery optimization mode off for charging the device from 10 to 100%. So you can take either the 15-watt Samsung charger, or even you can prefer the 18-watt Moto charger for charging the device. And as I have mentioned above, please note down that the chargers which I have used are just for charging the main device or the main screen of the smartphone, not the dual screen. If you are not interested in getting a power brick, you can even go for a power bank which delivers 18-watt output, and one of my friends personally tested that power bank of me which charged his device around 1 hour 45 minutes. So I would link all the products in the description below, and even I am waiting to test this device with wireless charging. So if you want to wait for that video, and if you want to watch that video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for watching it first whenever it comes out. So thank you for watching till the end, and see you in the next video. Bye.